Hey Cachers, Derek here, Baker 6 Clan. Have you ever heard of Snag the Tag? Alright, if you haven't, stay tuned and learn about Snag the Tag. Alright, so I'm with Oleg, who is with Snag the Tag. So what do you do with Snag the Tag?
So I'm a software engineer. So I'm the behind the scenes, make things work, hope nothing breaks kind of guy.
Right.
Usually let Mark do all the talking, so.
Yeah, and of course he couldn't be here at this event. We're actually at Midnight Madness here at GeoWoodstock. So I got my Snag the Tag, and I know in South Carolina we haven't had a lot of Snag the Tag. So how does the process all work with Snag the Tag?
So with Snag the Tag, you have the hiders, so the people that hide the tags, and you have the finders that have to go out, and it's basically an FTF race. Whoever gets there first finds a tag, they get to redeem it for a prize. For this game that we're doing right now is the Urban Ninja game. So the first person to get the tag that's been hidden at a location can then have a ninja mailed to them if they pay the shipping.
All right, I'm gonna break in right here because I'm actually at the location where I am actually gonna be hiding this tag. I'm not gonna show you where I'm hiding this tag, but I'm gonna hide my Urban Ninja tag. All right, so let's see here. Where would you find to hide an Urban Ninja tag? I'm looking, there's some lampposts, there's some trees, there's some other stuff, but I think this is a great location because this location is a great place for a ninja to hone their skills. They can build up some endurance. There's a place where they have to figure out how to escape from. There's a gym close by, lots of places, and it's right here in the middle of Latson. So let's see if I can get this thing hidden. No place yet. I've got it hidden. Now, if you want to be a part of Snag the Tag and find out how you can find the different Snag the Tags, or even to become a hider for the next one, here's Oleg, and he's going to tell us how.
Go to www.snagthetag.com and click on the Urban Ninja, and make sure you sign up for notifications if you want to be notified when one publishes near you.
Right, and I'll put all that information down in the description, so check it out. Check out snagthetag.com. Another really cool coin. There's a coin. It is a coin that you're finding. Oh yeah, here we're going to show you the coin. This is the Urban Ninja with the backpack, because they're actually finding the backpack, correct?
Yes.
There's the backpack.
Little backpack.
There's the backpack that you'll actually be finding. That's what the finders find.
Yep. So these are the what we call tags. And if you find one of these, each one has a unique code on it. You can go on our website and you can claim your very own ninja. So the backpack fits onto the ninja.
So there's the backpack on the ninja. So the ninja's got all his tools. The tools of the trade are all in that pack. That is just so cool. So, all right, Oleg, that is just really cool. I thank you guys for doing this. Check them out, snagthetag.com. All the information is in the description down below. Check it out. It's really cool. If you're in Charleston, go on snagthetag.com and see where it's gotten published. It is out there now. All right, so if this is the first time you've seen Behind the Cache, click that subscribe button just right over here. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you've ever done a Snag the Tag before. And if you haven't, you know what? And you can't get in on this run, sign up to be a hider for the next one. All right, I'll see you next time right here on Behind the Cache.